My head keeps turning, turning like Russian roulette. Thoughts are like bullets. I cannot do this, 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 do this. Shadows creep to the sadness and mirrors cracking and shadows of walls extending. Having tea with Alice and Rabbit, I'm on the mirror, but my chalice chemically, I'm in balance until I channel.